Now, you made your debut in 2003 with Footpath. Um, 2 decades and counting, and it's not easy. Also, to break the mold, it's not easy.
Yeah.
What do you think are the tools an actor requires to have the mileage in a career like yours? And what projects of yours you thought you believe that they helped in changing that mold, because you were also very image heavy while you were working in the early 2000s?
I think one of the things that are required in this industry is that you have to understand that जो failures होंगे या successes होंगे, वो fleeting है.
Correct.
वो एक तरह से आप उस पे ज़्यादा उस पे तवज्जो देंगे. If you know just get too attached to that outcome of things, आप ज़्यादा इस industry में टिक नहीं पाओगे. I think अगर आप अपने process, अपने पैशन पर सिनेमा पर आप ज्यादा ध्यान दें, किस तरह आप एक बेहतरीन एक्टर बन सकते हैं, आपकी longevity होगी. It's rather than being a 100-meter dash runner. If you want to run the marathon, there has to be something else. There has to be a core passion for films. और अगर वो नहीं होगा तो आप ज्यादा नहीं टिक पाएंगे इस इंडस्ट्री. I've actually seen more people success destroy more people than failures. Because success के साथ भी कुछ ज्यादा bloat हो जाते हैं अपने, लगता है. And that's why I never wish overnight success for people. Yes. Overnight success is something जहाँ पे वो आपको कुछ नहीं सिखाता है. People become delusional. Yeah, they would become delusional and feel like ये अच्छा इतनी आसान चीज़ है, and then वो मुंह के बल गिरते हैं अगली फिल्म में. So I'd rather have a road where it's testing, where you know it's the hard road, जो आपको सब सिखाता है, and you become stronger, make up stronger stuff.
Your career is a testimony.
And I think the films that have taught me, I think every film teaches something along the way. आपकी फिल्में जो ज़्यादा सफल भी नहीं रहती हैं, वो भी आपको कुछ सिखा जाती हैं. फिर आपको समझ में आता है कि हम कहाँ गलत कहते हैं इस फिल्म. And you try to course correct. And of course, the best films are films that eventually, you know, they're written well, and उसमें आप कुछ गहरी बात देखते हैं. वो सफल ना भी हो with me. Like Shanghai was a very average hit.
Yeah, but it was very different.
It was not a super hit. It came in the middle of films like Dirty Picture, Raz, Jannat.
Definitely.
All those films, Once Upon a Mumbai. But Shanghai gave me more because एक ऐसा character था जिसमें I did theatre workshops. मैं एक ऐसे किरदार में घुसा जो मुझे कभी किसी director ने मुझे ऐसा, he didn't handhold me and take me into this different process of filmmaking and acting. So that gave me a lot. Sometimes it doesn't come with the amount of success, but the process of the film.
But that movie has aged very well.
Of course, Shanghai is something that people look back and say that it's a very well-made film, way ahead of its time.
Way ahead, way ahead.
Hi, this is Imran Hashmi, and you're watching me on Mamarazzi.